Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to the latest addition to our line of cable rollers, the brand new dual cable roller, part number CR-210/4. That's for a pack of 4. Whether you're setting up a network or handling industrial installations, the CR-210 is a must-have tool in your kit, designed to work with 2 cables up to 1 inch in diameter each. It's a simple and easy solution for pulling cable in overlash construction. You're probably already familiar with our previous version, the CR-150 and the CR-300. Here are some standout features for all 3. The roller design helps prevent snagging and catching. It snaps over strand cable to install quick and easy. The roller is made from durable nylon plastic, and on the CR-300 it's made of rubber. And it has a rugged build for long life and durability. With this cable roller, you're not just getting a tool, you're getting efficiency and peace of mind. It saves you time, reduces the risk of cable damage, and enhances the overall aesthetics of your setup. And of course, being that comes in pack of 4, you get a cost-effective and versatile solution across multiple projects. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.